There is a famous video of Nate Eaton attempting to interview Lori and Chad Daybell in a parking lot in Hawaii. And Lori has now listed Nate Eaton on her witness list, and he is responding with an emergency motion for protective order. Nate Eaton, appearing pro se, files this emergency motion for protective order, requesting the court strike his name from the witness list of the defendant Lori Daybell, pursuant to Arizona Rule of Criminal Procedure 15.5A2 or any other applicable law or rule as follows. I have learned that I have been identified as a potential witness by Ms. Daybell for both this case and CR 2022-001242-001. I am a reporter for East Idaho News and have no first-hand knowledge of information regarding the crimes of which Ms. Daybell has been accused. My involvement in any matter related to Ms. Daybell has been only as a reporter. It is my understanding that by simply listing me as a potential witness, I can be barred from the courtroom during Ms. Daybell's trial. This seems to be a clear attempt by Ms. Daybell to use the rules of criminal procedure as a pretext simply to keep me out of the courtroom and interfere with my ability to report. Such an effort clearly interferes with my First Amendment, and we continue to the next page, rights as a reporter and the First Amendment rights of my employer to view and report on the events of the trial in the same manner as any other member of the media. Thus, listing me as witness results in a harm far outweighing any claimed usefulness. There is no legitimate usefulness to listing me as a witness. Further, that risk of harm cannot be eliminated by less substantial restriction of discovery rights, as it is not the disclosure of my identity that is harmful, but the abuse of the rules of criminal procedure to list me as a witness in order to interfere with my constitutionally protected rights and duties. Therefore, I respectfully request the court deny/strike Ms. Daybell's attempt to list me as a potential witness submitted March 26, 2025. Now, a lot of people have wondered if Lori is going pro se as a revenge tour. And then she listed this man, who's just a reporter, reporting on her case as a witness when there is no reason for that. Is her defense going to be what? Claiming that he's the actual perpetrator of the crime? Most likely that's not what she's going to do. But she could keep him from being able to report, keep him out of the courtroom, harm his job, and then get him up on the stand and potentially harass him, right? So I hope the judge will remove him, because this is absolutely ridiculous. I think everyone agrees he has no reason to be on the witness list. And if a lawyer was handling this case, he most certainly would not be on it.